So we have covered almost all of the controllers: ReplicaSet, Deployment, StatefulSet, DaemonSet, Stateless application, Stateful application. We have left with a few more controllers. Okay, let's talk about them. Okay, one we have is a replication controller. It is similar to ReplicaSet. Its job is to maintain a specific number of pods are always running, but it's a legacy resource, okay, part of early Kubernetes. And ReplicaSet is introduced as a replacement of replication controller. So people do not use a replication controller nowadays. So we don't need to worry much about this controller. And next we have jobs and cron jobs. Actually, they are not controllers. They are kind of pods actually, which bring up the pods for certain tasks. Once the task is completed, the pods will be terminated. Job is what? It's in job in Kubernetes. It's used to create one or more pods to perform some specific task. Once the task is complete, pods are terminated. For example, before we perform, for example, we want to do some configuration, we want to do some database update, we want to do some connection checking. For such kind of tasks, we will create a jobs which perform some task, and pods will be terminated immediately. One we have another, what we have the cron job. Cron job is actually similar to job only, but only thing is cron job will come up at schedule, like come up at specific time or interval. Then they perform some job and pods will be terminated. For example, you want to take the backup of a server every day at 10 p.m. Then we will schedule a cron job here. So I think that's how we have covered all of the controllers. By summary, if I want to summarize, ReplicaSet, which ensures that a number of pods are always running in all the times. Okay, we have a deployment which actually manages the replica set as well, and deployment is ideal for stateless application. Okay, and we have a stateful set, ideal for stateful application. When we have if you want to use the stateless application, go for deployment. If you have stateful application, go for stateful set. Okay, and DaemonSet is the case when you need to run a copy of pod on all the nodes in a cluster, such as for logging, monitoring, or networking tasks. Then you can go with DaemonSet. So that's all about the controller. Please let us know if you have any doubt regarding these controllers. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Take care.